Creatine water. Never tastes very good. Well, hello everyone, and welcome to the first ever installment of Connor's Tool Time Razor Bike Work in his parents' garage. That's right, today we're up at my parents' house. I drove up, threw the Razor in the van, and this thing has seen some better days. Ooh, that's a problem. So, what we're gonna do today is try and get this just a little bit improved over where it is now. All right guys, just like with a test, we're gonna start with the easiest problem first, and that's this. There are supposed to be bolts under here, secure the seat, and one thing I'll say is if you don't have this seat secured, the bike feels like so much less dialed, so I think we just gotta tighten this bolt up here. I couldn't find any bolts for this, so I think we're just going to tighten these zip ties, put some more in, and hope that holds. Woo-wee. And like that, one problem is solved. This is now pretty dang secure. This feels pretty good now. Still moves a little bit, but it's a Walmart bike. Yes guys, by the way, I now know that these are on upside down. I don't know if I'm gonna fix them today though. All right, these bars look like so jank and bent forward. So let's just quick fix these. Right, so next we've got to address these front brakes. The brake line apparently has a leak in it here. I think it's torn because the line was just too short to reach this this mount here. So we actually have the old Zoom brakes that I had on it. The only reason I took it off is because this lever was bent, but they still work perfectly otherwise. So we're just gonna swap out this one for this one. The line should be long enough. We'll just swap the pads. And she is a little less clapped now, so I'm excited to ride this thing. But first up, let's make sure our power mode's set up right. We'll head right into the TrueMoto app, Noisy Cricket. Firmware update available. I'm just gonna ignore that right now. 5, throttle aggression 40. Let's do 55. Power, let's put it to 11.5 kilowatts. And now we should be good to go. All right, first time on the Razor in a while. Guys, it's actually pretty warm out too, if you can't tell. I'm wearing a t-shirt, and we have front brakes, right? Yeah, I've been riding the XXX so much more than this bike. So I'm not the most comfortable on this bike right now, but we'll get there. We'll get back used to it. Still got a car behind me, damn. Speed up our wheelie, I guess. Gotta get our ceremonial hand drag. Guys, I will be putting a Guts seat on the XXX soon too, so that'll be cool. In addition to the nuclear controller that I've just been putting off doing because I've been busy and a bit lazy. Let's do a hand drag here. Easy. All right, I think I'm gonna head up to the main street here. But one thing I want to talk about, guys, and I don't know if I'll include this in the video or not, but as of right now, me and One Way Low Man, One Way Corey, and One Way Miles are planning on hosting a Razor e-bike ride out. Tentatively, it's gonna be April 13th, so that's Saturday. It's just gonna be that Saturday. So looking forward to that. It should be a lot of fun. I'll drop the banner on screen. This woman is like, what the frick? Look at those throttle one-handers, or brake one-handers. Let's go hit the old QMart up here. We came here the last time that I was up for Christmas. So, come over here again. Woohoo! Slow it down, buddy. And let's get a hand drag. Snack down grill. Yeah, that actually looks fire right now. Well, we're on our healthy eating grind right now. Oh yeah, we're really dragging out these hand drags now. Yeah, we're gonna be through these gloves very shortly. Gosh, that was a nice long one. Dude, look at my front fender. I did not realize that was so loose. We'll tighten that when we get back. All right, I think we'll go up this way now, because there's a lot up here that I think would be good. That's a sheriff. Fuck. That ain't good at all. Alright, time to go hide the bike. We're back out on the bike. So hopefully we don't run into any undesired characters, if you will. But we're definitely gonna try and get some more practice in, just have some fun riding around. Oh shit. Just throttle one-handers are so easy now. Just look at that. We'll get up to a Enoch. The big question is, can we figure out how the hell to do a seat stander? That would be cool. Guys, I guess it all just comes down to practicing whatever it is that you want to do. If you don't practice, it's never going to happen. But if you get out and do it, it's going to happen. Woo. What about Enoch circles, guys? And right hand. I'm usually doing left hand. Woo! Yeah, guys, this literally just shows me that, like, I need to come out more and just do lattes by myself, with or without the camera. It doesn't matter. I mean, let me know if you guys like seeing these. Just a bunch of heavy breathing, trying and failing stuff, or maybe ideally getting it. So let me know, but it's the only way I'm going to become a better rider, and this does look a little tempting. Let's see how muddy it is. We can just push straight through, right? Yeah, there we go. All right, fuck it. We are taking this little trail. Oh, maybe not as dry as I thought. Oh, definitely not as dry as I thought. Never mind. Okay. Sit down to Enoch. Leg over. And down to side saddle, but we gotta keep the front wheel up. Those are like the combos, quote unquote, that I gotta start learning. We do have side saddle circles though. Alright, let's try that little combo again. Sit down. Enoch. Foot over. Down to seat. It's just scary. Look at that. All right, let's go. Seat stander. Oh. That didn't work too bad though. Just hop up, pull it up. Woo-hoo-hoo, bump these speed bumps. Yeah, there's just a lot of balance required for these. Ooh. I can't wait to start trying these on the XXX though. It's gonna be a lot scarier. Ooh, now we're behind Lowe's. I love the smell of fresh lumber. This doesn't look to be a bad little practice spot. Have to take note of this. Looks like someone else has ridden up here before me. I doubt it was a 14 kilowatt razor though. Oh, a bunny! Hi, little bunny. Bye, little bunny. Damn, how did he fit through that? Oh yeah, that's that upgraded suspension, baby. Electro and Co. Ooh, this is some nice pavement right here. Oh, should we go check out the shed? Let's go check out the shed. See guys, I would be so happy if I had a shed that was just like this. Then I could fit my bikes in here. I could work in here. Oh, it would be a dream, wouldn't it? Anyways. Big bump here. Ooh. Hopefully that sheriff from earlier isn't here. I don't see him. Ooh. Slow her down. Ooh, this is sweet. Porsche 968. That's fire, dude. Haha, baby. No shit. This guy's got a 50? No. But
you make that?
Yeah, I did. It's a Razor.
Yeah, dude, I tried doing that. I bought like some cheap shit.
Yeah, if you buy the cheap shit, it doesn't work as well.
Yeah, how fast that go?
About 60.
Really?
Yeah, it rips.
Try it? I can ride with it.
Alright, sure. Sure, go ahead. It's hella powerful though, just know that.
You got it in like first mode right now?
Yeah, we'll put it in mode 1, but just know the throttle's super jerky, so. Alright, we just met a random 50. Hey, there we go. Yeah, he's got it. He's got it. Yeah, I really wish I had a foot brake, because I can do one-handers, but then you have no rear brake coverage. That's what sucks. So like this, but no rear brake. I said, you got the wheelies on that though. It's too fun. And it's so much power. Alright, bro. Yeah, I got you. Nice meeting you though, bro. Yeah, but check it out. DM me if you're, I'll let you know if I'm up here. Alright, bro. Peace. Cool dude. Alright guys, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, I'll catch you next time. Woo. Peace.